Best Bread Maker. We collect top 6 best bread maker. Among the whole brand, Smart Reviews is the best channel for reviews. Please subscribe and share and click below description link for more details. Choosing the best bread maker for making bread at home can be a difficult task for the beginner. There are many good bread machines on the market to choose from, and it can sometimes be overwhelming to decide which brand and model is better over the other. Here are the top tips to ensure you find a suitable bread maker for your household. Firstly, choose a well-known brand to go with. Make a list of the top brands that you know for household appliances in general. The top brands for bread machines include Zojirushi, Sunbeam, Cuisinart, Breadman, and Breadman. If you have had past experience with any of these brands for other appliances around your home, then you'll be able to go off your prior experience in terms of brand reliability. Secondly, decide on the features that you would like to see in your future bread maker. This second step will involve a bit of research to familiarize yourself with the common features available in bread machines. Here are some of the common features that you'll find in bread making machines. Non-stick pan. This is a standard feature found in all bread makers. It really helps to make cleaning your bread machine a simple process if the bread pan is of a high-quality, non-stick surface. Kneading blade. Read some consumer reviews such as that found on Amazon. Look for a model that allows easy extraction of the kneading blade from the bread pan once your bread has finished baking. As an aside note, after each baking session, depending on the specific model, you may find that the kneading blade may be difficult to extract from your